We got handicap signs over there.
Oh, they do? Okay.
Yeah.
All right. I ain't worried about it.
What do you got to say?
We're gonna catch a
Oh,
monster.
the cigar.
A monster.
Hey, can we smoke on the boat or no? Do they smoke on the boat?
I honestly don't remember. I've only been out on it once.
Did you smoke?
I don't think I was smoking at the time.
Oh, whoa.
So I know Gina had her cigarettes at the time, but she's giving them up and went to the pen.
Uh-oh.
So I don't know about that.
Late,
Oh.
late bloomer.
Yeah. No, I had quit for 26 years and fucked up and started again.
Oh. Should we bring the cigars?
I don't think we can. I don't think we'll have time if we can catch too much fish.
Imagine having a tuna with the... I don't know
How do
what...
you celebrate it then?
Huh?
How do you celebrate it?
Exactly. What if we catch a whale?
Then you need a bigger boat.
Well, this place is a lot better than Moss Landing. Moss Landing is a mess. Take those extra napkins just in case you can't make it to the restroom.
Just in case.